School Science Physics Lab Furniture. Conveniently designed for comfortable learning and doing practical experiments. To accommodate all instruments and apparatus, we designed a large workspace. Various color options are available as per your taste. To reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, our lab furniture is designed to be safe and ergonomic. To make it easier for students to use electronic equipment, the design features an electrical connection, safety measures to prevent injury or damage from electrical equipment, such as circuit breakers and grounding. We have designed the table to minimize the need for extension cords and power strips by placing an electrical connection on top of the table. It was designed to make it easier for students to conduct experiments and research with the latest technology and equipment in mind. To withstand constant use, it is made from high-quality materials. To keep the apparatus and equipment organized, cupboards and drawers were provided for each table with a locking facility.